Hey there! In this tutorial I will show you how to make a counter timer using PowerPoint. First, open PowerPoint and ensure that the layout is set as blank. Secondly, go to Design and open Slide Size. Select Custom Size. Set the size to 20 cm by 20 cm. You can set the size at any dimension that you choose. Once you have your slide size, format the background. Then type the number at which you would like to begin your counter. In this tutorial, I want the counter to start at 5 and end at 0. Select the slide and copy-paste the slide. Now, type the numbers for the other slides. Navigate to Transitions. Select a transition. I'm using the split screen transition. Move to the timing group. Set the duration to 1 second. Deselect the After mouse click box and set the After to 0.5 seconds. Don't forget to add a transition sound if you choose to do so. Click Apply to all. Save the document. You can preview the counter by clicking the slideshow icon in the bottom right of the interface. If you're happy with your work, hop over to File and then to Export. Click Create a video. You could make a GIF, but it is more difficult to start and stop a GIF. Since a video is easier to trim and control, I always make a video. Ensure that you see the message Use recorded timings and narration. If you do not see this message, it means that you did not save the document. Save the document as a MP4 file. Wait for the video to be rendered. Once the video is rendered, view the video. You have created your own countdown timer. You can insert the video into a PowerPoint or another presentation. I hope that this tutorial will help someone, somewhere. Thank you for subscribing and sharing. Comments are always welcome. See you again, soon.